Are you tired of being ignored by women and sometimes feeling like you're not good enough? Do you wish you could be the kind of man that women beg for attention from? Well, it's time to turn the tables and become a high-value man that women can't resist. In this video, we'll explore how you can make women beg for your attention and become the man of their dreams. Whether you're single and looking for love or in a relationship and looking to increase your attractiveness, these tips will help you become the irresistible man that women crave. So, do yourself a favor and pay attention to the information in this video if you want to use it to your advantage. Number 11. Not caring for their approval. If you want to make women beg for your attention and fall in love with you, a key strategy is to stop caring for their approval. This means not readily giving in to their demands or trying too hard to please them. Instead, demonstrate that you have standards of your own and do not simply give in to every whim or request of theirs. Doing this shows that you are confident and independent, two traits that can be incredibly attractive to women. Furthermore, presenting yourself as someone who is not so easily swayed will make women want to work harder to win you over and show their affection. Not seeking approval from women give off an air of mystery and superiority that can make them more intrigued by your presence and eager to pursue a relationship with you. Number 10. Unbreakable Confidence. Women are drawn to men who demonstrate an unbreakable confidence and show indifference to their approval. High-value men understand that they can make women beg for their attention and fall in love by being unwavering in the face of adversity. This means having a strong sense of self-worth and not allowing the opinions or desires of others to override one's own convictions. By displaying confidence, a high-value man can further compound this effort by exhibiting an attitude of superiority, which can be incredibly alluring for women. Doing this helps to create a dynamic where women will feel compelled to compete for the attention of high-value males and increase their desire for them even more. Number 9. Showing a positive attitude. High-value men understand that having a positive attitude is a key factor in making women beg for their attention and fall in love with them. A positive attitude gives off an air of optimism, which women find attractive, as it shows confidence and resilience. This also speaks to one's level of emotional intelligence, as it demonstrates an understanding of one's own emotion as well as those of others. High-value males have the ability to manage their emotions and stay focused on their goals, no matter what obstacles they may face. Women find this appealing because they know that they can trust someone who has maintained such poise in difficult situations. A positive attitude also shows that high-value males are not easily dissuaded from pursuing what they want, which adds to their allure. Number 8. Having high standards and expectations. This is backed up by scientific research, which has shown that having high standards can actually be the sign of good mental health and self-esteem, two qualities that women find attractive. High-value males demonstrate their refusal to settle on anything less than what they believe is the best for themselves, and this exudes an air of selectivity that can be highly appealing. For example, if a man knows what he wants from a relationship and will only accept it if the standards are met, this could show that he is not just looking for any type of connection, but one with a particular meaning and purpose. Similarly, if he sets his own personal goals for himself and strives to reach them through hard work and dedication, then this shows an independent streak as well as ambition, which women find irresistible. Number 7. Making sure you're the prize, not chasing one. High-value men understand that making sure they're the prize, not being the one chased, is a powerful tool in making women beg for their attention and fall in love with them. Research has shown that women are most attracted to those who have a sense of control over relationships and their own lives, rather than those who feel like they need to be constantly chasing after someone. High-value males demonstrate that they are not desperate for love or attention. Rather, they stand confident in themselves and make sure that it is the other person who is doing the chasing. For example, if a high-value man is having casual conversation with a woman but knows when to draw back before things become too intense or intimate, then it shows he understands his worth and won't give his attention away freely, something many women find incredibly attractive. Number 6. Creating an aura of mystery around yourself. Did you know that creating an aura of mystery around yourself can be a powerful tool for making women beg for your attention and fall in love with you? By displaying subtle qualities that make other people want to know more about them, high-value men give off the impression that they have secrets that only those who get close enough can discover. This can be incredibly alluring and make them appear even more intriguing than they already are, as it adds a layer of mystery to their personalities. It also helps to boost the attraction process and heighten desire in those around them, making them all the more attractive. High-value men demonstrate this by subtly hinting at different interests or talents that only those with a keen eye can recognize. Or they may choose to keep certain aspects of their lives private, thus adding to the air of mystery to how they live and how they are perceived by others. By doing this, high-value men create a sense of intrigue around themselves, which makes them stand out from the crowd and leaves those who interact with them wanting to learn more. Number 5. Being goal-oriented. In several studies, it's been found that the majority of women prefer men to have a clear purpose and focus in life. This is because having goals indicates ambition, dedication, determination, and a drive to achieve more. All qualities that are not only attractive but also make them appear more dependable and reliable. High-value men demonstrate these qualities by setting and striving to reach their goals for both themselves and any relationships that they may be in. For example, if a high-value man has a career goal he works hard to achieve, this shows how serious he is about his future and how seriously he takes the efforts it takes to make his dreams come true. Number 4. Having a sense of humor and being fun to be with. Imagine having all the qualities mentioned, but not being fun to be around. How attractive would that make you? Not very attractive. Having a great sense of humor and being fun to be with can make all the difference when it comes to making women beg for your attention and fall in love with you. People are naturally attracted to those who make them feel comfortable, happy, and entertained, something high-value men understand how to do. This doesn't mean you should make a joke out of everything. Rather, it means you should be able to make light of situations and have a positive outlook on life. High-value men demonstrate this by making conversations fun and interesting, being able to banter back and forth with ease, and having a relaxed attitude when it comes to how they interact with others. Number 3. Taking care of your appearance. It doesn't matter how you look naturally. How you dress and how you express yourself can make all the difference when it comes to how attractive you appear to others. High-value men understand this, which is why they put effort into their appearance and ensure that they always look their best. This doesn't mean you have to wear designer clothes or flashy accessories. Rather, it means you should have a neat and tidy wardrobe that is suitable for the occasion you attend. High-value men also understand how to accessorize their outfits with small touches, such as a pocket square or lapel pin, which shows how much effort they put into how they look. Number 2. Building a strong social circle. This is something that most people overlook, but it's an incredibly important part of how women perceive someone as a high-value man. Having a strong social circle, which includes friends and colleagues you can rely on and trust, indicates how trustworthy and reliable you are. High-value men understand how to form meaningful relationships with those around them and how to develop a network of people who can provide support, advice, and companionship. They also understand how to make connections with influential figures in their industry, which can prove invaluable for career advancement. By showing how important relationships are to them, high-value men show how much they value themselves and how much they care about those around them. Number 1. Walking away when necessary. This is, without a doubt, the most important quality for making women beg for your attention and fall in love with you. High-value men understand how to walk away from a situation or person if they are not getting what they want or need without feeling threatened by it. This shows how confident and secure they are with their own abilities and how willing they are to stay true to themselves. By having the courage to walk away, high-value men show that they don't allow themselves to be taken advantage of or manipulated into compromising their beliefs. This makes women obsessed with them and willing to do anything for their attention. In conclusion, these tips will help you become a high-value man that women cannot resist, making them beg for your attention. By following these simple steps and understanding how the attraction process works, you can become an irresistible man who is confident, positive, goal-oriented, and fun to be around. This will not only make women more attracted to you, but also make you a better person overall. Now, you need to watch the recommended videos you see on the screen right now. It'll show you 9 things you always do if you're a low-value man. Make sure you watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.